Hello. Today we will be unboxing and setting up the Clover Handheld Scanner. Let's start by opening the box and removing all contents. Inside, you'll find a small box containing the scanner, the stand arm and base, and the USB cable. Remove all items from their packaging before continuing. Now let's begin assembling the stand. Take the arm and unscrew the wing nut. Insert the threaded end of the arm into the hole in the center of the base. Flip the base over, then screw the wing nut back on to secure the arm firmly in place. Next, let's connect the USB cable to the scanner. Unwrap the cable, then grab the end with the pin connector. With the scanner facing down, locate the port on the bottom of the handle. Carefully align the connector with the port, then push it in until it clicks into place. Once the cable is connected, place the scanner head into the holder on the stand. Now, plug the USB end of the cable into a USB port on your Clover POS system. You are now ready to use your Clover Handheld Scanner.